Today we're introducing the Joseph Joseph Tota Trio 90-liter laundry hamper, a modern solution for your laundry needs with its sleek Ecru design and innovative functionality. This stylish laundry basket features 3 compartments, making it effortless to separate fabrics and streamline your laundry routine. Each compartment comes with a removable tote bag equipped with easy carry handles, ensuring you can transport your laundry with ease. The helper handle on the base of each bag makes emptying a breeze, while the fast return feature ensures the bags self-locate back into the basket seamlessly. Perfectly suited for bedrooms, bathrooms, or utility rooms, this hamper combines practicality with modern design. Its elegant shape and neutral color blend effortlessly with any decor, making it a must-have addition to your home. Experience the convenience and style of the Joseph Joseph Tota Trio laundry hamper and transform the way you manage your laundry. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.